February. So may mga kalokohan lang hindi maganda nangyari kagabi, which is yung pagising-gising nila. Gusto ko talagang i-timelapse yun.
Ang mga ugali.
Timelapse ko talaga yun. Meron pa naman ako. So kagabi mapapanood yun sa vlog ni Jeko. Siguro na-upload niya na yun. And kami ay pupunta kami ngayon sa Mekong River and lahat kami is magba-vlog doon. So samahan niyo kami pupunta sa Mekong River and first time ko din yun. So wala akong idea kung anong meron doon. So tignan natin kung ano ba yung makikita natin doon. And after nun, kailangan natin magpahinga ng todo-todo kasi kulang tayo sa sleep and medyo malat na naman yung boses natin. So, kailangan bumalik ang ating voice para makapag-vlog tayo ng maayos. So, balikan ko kayo mamaya. Kerry, wala pala akong mic. Balikan ko kayo mamaya kung ano yung magiging ganap namin doon. So, itatanong ko kung magkano yung binayad. Pero ito ay sponsor by Ate Roxanne. So, thank you so much Ate Roxanne and sa lahat ng aming mga ate dyan. And di nang na nagpapadala para sa aming mga foodang dito sa travel. So, thank you so much Ate Roxanne, Ninang Clemencio, Ninang Matabang Nurse, Ninang Arlene. So, lahat sila nilang, hindi na sila mga very good mauler, di ba? So, balikan ko kayo mamaya sa ating ganap.
You can spell H-U-Y. That's his Vietnamese name. I don't have English name. Can you say hi?
Hi!
Hui. That's my name. Hi Hui. Yeah.
Hi Hui.
That's my name. Okay, today I'm very happy and honored to be our tour guide here. Today we go to the Mekong Delta. The Delta, inside the Delta, we have Mekong River. We call Mekong Delta. Very simple. From here to there, around 80 kilometers. Just cost us around 2 hours for moving. But don't worry, later we have the rest stop for you. We stop at the rest stop around 50 minutes. You can have coffee, go toilet, or have breakfast. The bread up to you, okay? And then we go straight to the front destination. At the front destination, we have the second toilet for you. Don't worry, toilet everywhere. Okay, this one. Before we start the trip, this list very important for me and for the driver. Without this one, we must pay more than $1,000. Yeah, maybe the driver pay, not me. So that's why, please, this one, please write your full name here and birthday, but just only year. Here is enough. Okay, everyone, please write here, and then you give for orders. Game, then give back to me. And everyone, do you see the water in front of you?
Yeah.
I put the water in front of you already. Yeah. Okay. About the tour program. Today we go to islands. The first we call the Unicorn Island. The second we call the Coconut Island. Mekong Delta. We have totally 13 provinces. Today we visit 2 provinces because our tour just happened in 1 day, not 2 days. If we have today, we go more. Okay. The first test is the Unicorn Island. We have dragon, unicorn, phoenix, and turtle. At the Unicorn Island, no unicorn at there. That is just the name. Okay. Why we call unicorn, dragon, phoenix, and turtle? Later, I will introduce for you on the way we go. At the Unicorn Island, because the street at there different with the street in the city. At there, that is the lowland. So that's why the soil, the street, always wet.
So guys, andito na kami. Be, ulo na naman. Ulo no. Ang ikaw ko. Sumuko na talaga siya. Ito pa lang yung binili ko galing Cebu, Palawan. Wala na siya. It's time to remove. Wala na. Wala na. Wala na.
Over there. They are fishermen. They go to the sea for fishing. You can see their boat, right? Over there. That boat is for fishing. And this boat for carrying customer. This one, around 20 to 30 meter deep. So that's why if you take photo or you make the video, please careful, okay? If you drop your phone here, you can buy the new one. And behind you, let's see the city. The city named Mỹ-Tho City. Named Mỹ-Tho City. This way you can go to Saigon. This way you go to Saigon. In the past, we don't have motorway or the car on the street yet, like nowadays. This way from here to Saigon, you can go around 5 or 6 hours. This way go to Cambodia. This way go to Cambodia. And you see some ship over there look like Viking, Saigon or Standing Spirit. You see over there. That ship they will go to Cambodia. And then go to here and then they go to Saigon. From Saigon they go to here and then they go to Cambodia. Yeah. And from here to Cambodia just only around 300 kilometers, no visa. And over there that is Ranville Bridge. The longest bridge in Mekong Delta. Very, very long. Connect the city with the Police Island and the Coconut Island. And our destination today, that is the Unicorn Island, the longest island in 4 islands. You can see from over there, they long to over there. Very Please look at here. 1, 2, 2.5, hello, and 3. Thank you. Please enjoy. Hello. This one. Please look at here. 3, 2, and 1. Thank you. Please enjoy.
Sumasarap talaga yung prutas pag sinasawsaw sa asin na maanghang.
Ayun natin siya. Kakaiba sa kanila, wala silang maliit na payabas, no, lahat malaki. Tatry natin ito gamit yung asin, tsaka asin nila na may chili, tsaka yung
Walang panghang, huwag ka
Tatry
magsasaw.
natin first na may leg para magising tayo.
Pinya para sa singaw na hindi gumagaling, hindi pa rin gagaling.
Pineapple good. Good for heart.
Kasi parang hindi siya masyado kumakapat sa asin.
Dito ang anghang no, sobra. Sana yung pinya hindi makati sa dila, di ba? Ito sabi mo,
Ay, shock.
ay shock. Oh, shock, ito ba yung
Malaglag na. Mga king-king na kamot.
May kakaibang ketong.
Ay, diyak.
Pakwan.
Everyone, do you know how to eat the longan? I think you know, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Libe.
Okay, this is the longan.
Sarap.
This is longan. Okay, use your teeth here. Use your teeth here. Crack. Crack. You see this? Crack. And then you peel up.
Hindi ba
Basahin.
Or you can make by your teeth.
Mark long.
Here, you see that?
Patol ng
Ah, okay lang, ganyan. Brown lang yung balat ko sa Pilipinas. Let's taste it. Ay, hello po, mga kabayan.
Yeah,
Paranaque, Cavite po.
Cavite. Pero Trias.
Kudain.
Si Pulades.
Alam ko mga ano kayo, foreigner.
Wow.
Di ba ano nga yung longgan? Ano yun? Parang newscaster to eh.
Balonggan.
Color brown po yung balat. Opo, color brown.
Mabuto siya.
Tumanipis din yung balat.
Ano yung
Para daw nak.
kinakagat pero parang malambot.
Ay,
Si bakla.
Ay. Yung longgan sa atin, makapal yung color puti. Dito manipis yung balat. No? Ay, malaki yung... Ay, sorry.
Hey!
Ganda yan. Mas malaki yung buto kaysa sa ano. Tama na.
si Logan sa atin nagbabalita. Dito.
Kinakain.
Dito kinakain.
Mark Lugan yun.
Mark Longgan. Sino nag-joke?
Chico.
Sabi ko kasi nak.
That is Vietnamese. Yeah. So, but the last song, that is the English song. That's one we just sing extra for you to make this one more interesting. So we have some song. The first that is about the love in the countryside. Yeah, different with the city. In the city, look like in here, you know, the people they will marriage first, and then they will work. Yeah, they earn money. But in the city, if you don't have money, no one marriage. That's it. So that's why you must earn money. Then you have look like car or house. If you don't have car or house, you must have money first as well to pay for to make your life and your partner better and better. And the second that is you know the lonely man. The lonely man look like you can understand like this. You don't have boyfriend or girlfriend, and the winter coming. Inside you already cold. Now it's more colder. Yeah, and look like the praise song. That's one. It look like this is a lonely boy. Okay, just for example. Yeah, and I am lonely. I am so sad because no girlfriend. And then I walk inside the winter like that, and the wind of the winter flow to me. Inside me already cold. Now more colder. That's it. Yeah. And the one more song that is about a drink beer or drink alcohol. They walk look like you are the people in here and go to the city. After around 1 year, I come back here. You and me gather together. We very happy. So that's why we drink beer.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Shot.
one more. That is the song. The song I told you about Unicorn Island, Dragon Island, Phoenix Island, and then the Turtle Island, right?
Yeah.
To sing about 4 islands in here. And one more, that is the spring, summer, autumn, and winter. They sing about the spring in this countryside. In the spring seasons, springtime, the fruit tree they grow. Bird they fly, fish they swim. Yeah, everything they grow. Look like you know, very beautiful picture like that.
Guys, ang atake pala neto is ikot-ikot lang. So, kala ko kanina, nasa river tayo. Tapos, paikot-ikot lang. Alam ko ganun yun. Yung pala parang field trip. So, ilang taon na tayo may field trip tayo. Tsaka social field trip natin sa Vietnam. Diba?
Tapos may ano pa siya. May ganito pa tayong kasama.
Oo. Walang ginawa kundi mang trip.
Ay, carry siya. Status.
Carry
Uy,
siya,
ang galing
status.
kasi iisa lang tong lugar na to na nandito. Ang tawag nila dito Coconut Island. And dito sa Coconut Island, lilibutin talaga natin lahat na. Oo, dito daw yung mga nangyayari yung mga ibang history ng Vietnam.
Magi. Sige, wag ka magtigil. Sabi ko sa'yo, itulog mo yan. Maging history na lang, maging alaala na lang. May bagong words.
Yata yung B.
Yung titikim
Pero
ng B.
sumakay kami noon ng parang boat eh. Na
Ayun nga
Ay,
yung
ibig sabihin
akala
hindi
ko.
kayo naglakad?
dalawahan lang. Tapos may ganto kaming dinaanan pero nakakatok-tok kami.
So ayan na guys, i-ano natin, i-video natin kung next.
This one can or cannot eat with me, citizen cannot. Yeah. And this one in here in Ho Chi Minh City. This one is the secret. Okay. If you make the video, don't share on Facebook. In Ho Chi Minh City, one bottle or 1 cup of the coconut water, maybe we sell for you around 50,000. Very expensive. But in here, she is the local people. She's the local people. This one, she just sell over there 20,000 dong. 20,000 dong. $1 in Vietnam, 25,000 dong. This one, 20,000 dong. You can imagine how cheap is it, right? So in here, if you want to try the fresh coconut, this one here, they take the meat of the water coconut, they mix with the water of the coconut. You can order her, okay? In here, we'll try the fresh coconut and the real price, okay? Yeah, over there.
So sa Pilipinas, dahil tayo ang UTI twin, isa sa mga gamot natin ay yung buko juice. So dito maliit pa lang, natitimpla na yung buko juice. So bumili sila and let's try kung ano yung lasa. Hinahaluan na daw to ng tubig, no?
Tubig ng milk.
Coconut.
Water coconut pa rin siya.
Ah, oo.
Masarap yung laman niya, guys. So, nagkakalaga siya ng 20,000.
Magkano to? 28,000 dong. Parang same lang naman, 28, 2-0. 20,000 dong.
Para naman siya yung ano lang. Yung buko lang din.
Parang buko lang din. Pero at saka hindi maasim.
Yung
Aw lang nga,
laman,
tikma
tignan
mo.
Parang buko lang din.
Buko yung sabaw.
Pati yung laman. Tikman mo.
Yung laman.
Yung laman, yun yung water coconut.
Oo nga, pero same lang. Parang...
Lang.
Yes, true. Pero wala ng tao.
Ah, wala.
Sarap.
Carry sila.
Lang ako na yung ano doon.
Ang sarap, guys. Para sa yung ano, be, bukayo. Na?
Pwede siya ibukayo.
Pwede siyang gawing bukayo. So,
Lamis-lamis na siya.
masarap. Parang tulad din naman ng buko sa atin. So, ang next naman is, titikman daw natin yung honey na may mga bubuyog din. So, yung mga bubuyog na daw yun, hindi daw yun nangangagat. So, let's see kung ano yung magiging extra na dun. Pero, paus na nga. Di ba matamis yung honey?
Kung may makakagat ba?
Nakagat na lang yung uso, namagat na lang. So, i-update ko kayo guys pag nandun na kami. Okay, lilipad-lipad nga yung mga bubuyog na.
Lipad na naman ang bubong.
Parang langaw-langaw yung atake niya.
Dito kami, oh.
They sting you, they love you. Palit kayo na yung show. Ayun
Okay,
na.
everyone. Now, the farmer makes the honey tea for you. And I will show you this one. Don't scare me, okay?
Yung ano nga, yung
Masarap yun.
Kalamansi. Yun sa kanila. Hindi sila tape, pero kalamansi.
Garlic.
Ayun guys yung bubuyog oh.
May langgam na doon.
Ang bilis.
dito guys sa ano, likod.
Yun.
Ano yan, tea?
Calamansi and pollen and sea and honey.
Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Parang rapsoy siya, no?
Yung ginagamit natin pang ano eh. Yung panggamot sa ubo. Tignan mo yun.
Hello, nakulong niya na yung bubuyog oh.
Namoy niya.
Ang galing. Ayan yung tea namin. So guys, kanya-kanyang POV na to. And ayan, kanya-kanyang point of view. And titikman na natin yung kanilang tea. So ako malat na yung boses ko. Pero ilalaban pa rin natin for today's video. Oh, it's given. Ang sarap.
Tamis, di ba? Asin. Okay lang. Tama.
Matamis ah. Sarap.
Mataas kasi yung ano yun.
Nakakaginawa dito.
Sugar mo eh.
Matamis.
Ang sarap. Sarap.
Matamis.
Sakto lang.
Please look at here. This one is one at a heart of bee. This one you can call the bee home or the bee wax. Inside this one, just only one queen bee. And with queen bee, she stay inside. They outside, that is the male bee and the worker bee. They protect for the queen bee. The queen bee look at the boss in here. And surrounding here, that is the male bee. Male bee and worker bee. Male bee eat, sleep, and then making love with the queen bee. You see so many bee because the male bee. And the worker bee, they work, right? they take the honey come from the flower of the longan tree. You see the longan tree surrounding here?
Yes.
So much, right? The honey you drink come from this one. And if you see the special here, that is the honey, they look like the water. But actually inside no water. You can put to the freezer and then this one never frozen. They just condense. That is the real honey. And this one you drink very good for your liver. Yeah, that's it. Here. They will use the smoke, they chase the bee out and then they take the honey. You can look carefully, you will see the honey. You see the honey? Where?
Look inside, yung may kulay ano be, brown. Ayan,
Ay,
sa
na.
loob. Kita mo yan.
Sa loob ay nakita ka eh.
Hindi niya,
Ay,
hindi niya alam.
Hindi niya alam yan.
Yung
Yellow, be.
Alam niyo honey.
See the honey?
Alam mo yan, yung tagpiso.
The honey. Somebody
Akala kong pinapahanap
You see
niyo
that?
yung queen.
Now you try that one. Okay, the farmer they will introduce for you about the product in here. Yeah, I will come back here later.
Ayan na.
Pero may kwento ako dyan. Sa amin yung honey na sa puno. Kaganon siya, oh.
Paano yan?
Nagbahay yung puno.
Pwede siya ikainin.
Kasi gapi.
Okay, yo, your turn.
Come on, Jilly.
Padala niyo.
Pampara Shaolong Bao.
Coconut candy. Welcome to the Thai night. Coconut candy.
So guys, nandito kami sa factory ng gawaan ng coconut. And gusto kong bumili dito kasi meron dito buy 5 get 1 free. So, feeling ko, dito din ba ha? They have 3 days pero yung natikman ko kasi doon is yung peanut. So, bili tayo. Original. Yeah. Peanut. Chocolate. And what's jaka? Langka. I don't know. And that the free. I vibe. So bumili tayo ng 6 na para. So lahat lang yon ay 200,000 dong. So, pangpapasalubong na din natin yan. And carry-carry na ako bumili ng mga pasalubong kasi hindi na dapat ako mag-worry kasi nga, tawag ito, may check-in baggage na tayo. So, nakabili na tayo dito. And may libre siyang isa. Daming isda, oh.
Daming hito.
Hito hamnida. Grabe, ang dami. Pero nakakita lang ito na ganyan yung kulay.
Albino.
Albino? Pero ba? Grabe, ang dami, oh. It's giving, oh. May albino na hito, oh. Magi. Satisfying naman. Ang lalaki na ng hito nila. Ang dami. Isa pa. Ang dami, oh. Magi. Ang daming ahas. Alam niyo, takot ako sa ahas.
Okay, this one in Vietnam we call Hổ Dận. Hổ Dận in English it means tiger snake. Because they have the stripe on the tiger skin. You see that? And this one they cannot climb to here. This one very high, and maybe this one very smooth. The snake cannot climb here. This one no poison.
Magi, nakatingin sa akin, di mo
They eat the rat, chicken here.
Sabi daw, hi teacher.
Magi.
Everyone. Now, we go to see Gucci, Chanel, Louis Vuitton in Mekong Delta. Okay, please.
Ang daming crocodile.
Everyone, my group. If you want to fishing the crocodile, 10,000 for one, okay? Over there. If you want to fishing, you pay for him.
10,000 lang, oh. So guys, ayan, bangka-bangka at nahati na kami sa dalawang grupo, which is ang Team A tsaka Team B. So, kami ng Jesbin, Mama Vicky at ako yung magkakasama. Tapos andun sila Balong, Jeko, Iza, tsaka si Ashley. So, ito, lunch na to siya? O wala pa tong lunch? Gutom na to siya. Magi-magi, laglag yung ketay. So, ayan yung atake niya, guys. Salakot. Yeah, so para di tayo mainitan and laban na laban pa rin yung eyelash natin. It's giving a feather. So, ayan. And lapot na tayo for today's video. Pero that's fine. Kasi kung gusto nyo din pala makita yung mga yung mga vlog ng... Kasi ako clips lang din yung ginagawa ko. And itong inaanuhan namin, ito yung kanilang Water Coconut Island. So, nakaka-amaze kasi ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito. At ganun kaliliit. Ayun o. Ganyan. Ganyan kaliliit yung coconut nila. And yun yung tinikman natin kanina. And may gagawin pala tayong very important pag uwi ng Pinas. So, kailangan natin mag-health check. Kasi meron na naman tayong napansin sa ating self. So, dapat inaalagaan natin ang ating self kahit nagtatrabaho tayo. Kasi mahirap magkasakit. So, pag matagal ka nagkaroon ng sakit, matagal ka walang work. Diba? So, kailangan ere-erecho tayo sa pag-work. At kahit nag-work tayo, kahit nag-everyday upload tayo, and especially sa business natin na may mga umu-order na kailangan natin maging malakas kasi ere-erecho yun. Diba? So, i-update ko kayo pagkakain na kami. Ayan guys, may nagpadala po sa amin ng cheesecake galing kay Ate Jen. So, may nakalagay na parang pang shala-shala yung cake. Parang lakas mo ka Singapore.
Mahal yan.
Mahal to?
500,000 dong.
500,000 dong? Mahal yun Sa 1,000? Cake. Naalala ko yung cake ni Ate Ali ng birthday mo, Jessica. Pang shala.
1 million dong pala yan.
1 million dong.
Di parang 3,000.
Cheesecake.
Tulak.
Tulak. Ay, leche flan. Ayan na. Wow. Happy birthday, teacher. Happy birthday, teacher. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, teacher. Happy birthday, teacher. Kunin daw ng FB mo.
Magi mag-ano ha. Ang tripping
Ang ganda. Thank you so much po, Ate Jen.
Dahil dyan, nagbago na ako.
Thank you so much, Ate Jen. Ano kinakanta kahapon? Ayoko umasa sa paniniwala. Maiwagan sa lamin at maaamin. Kanyang tunay na pag-ingin. Salamin sa dingding. Salamin sa kabaong. Ayoko maniwala. Ang puso ko'y mapabigyan. Forever Magbolakit preschool 3+ tayong lahat sa M. Luwilier, ang tulay ng Pilipino. Abladi, ablada. Ano ba?
Shalala.
Shalalala, ina mo. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. I love you. Tomorrow. Di mo lang dahil sa'yo, ako'y di makakain. Tulad mo na may pusong bato. Bato. Ngit. Gamot sa adik. Inares.